See, look, y'all, this Billy the Frizz. See, look at this. Y'all see it? With the women, Batman. So I'm clicking back, y'all. See, look at it. Probably all tied up this fake old video. Look at this. This is fake. So look, y'all, it's the same one. The guys all tied up. Look at this. So I figured the guys all tied up. And they build the Freddy doing the fake thing, tying the guy up. Why the heck he would do that? See, this build the Frizz again. So look at y'all build the Frizz. See, now look at Ben. Look with the long curly hair, Ben. See, look, y'all, this is Ben. So I get a color. I know he got different photos of him being a woman and being himself. So he got the long curly hair. He got on makeup in this one. Ben, look at this. So look at all this Ben. I know he got on the makeup. Ben. I said Ben. Ben. Look at that, Ben. I'll go to the next one. So you look, y'all, it's Billy the Frizz. The same video I show you. This is the same video I show you already. Look at it. Billy the Frizz. See, look at these two guys. See, outside, these two white men, these two white guys outside. I know Billy the Frizz and Ben friends. Look at this. So I'm gonna go somewhere else. Look at the same photo again. The same exact photo. So look at y'all, is this Ben with the mask on? He on the mask like a luchador mask or something? Luchador mask? See, look, y'all, it's Ben again on the stage with the mic and stuff. Ben. See, this Ben again. So y'all on this one. See him again. They go Ben again, y'all. The same exact photo again. So the same exact photo. See this? And the same one again, number 3. Ha ha. Look at this. So there's a photo of Ben again. So I'm showing y'all. And look at this word. Y'all recognize this word? Ha ha. Y'all recognize this word? So y'all recognize this word? The direct and presence podcast. Look at this. TikTok.
This is the rant where she's talking about. I pulled off first from the toll booth, and
Whoa! Oh my God! He said, "Oh my God!"
The traffic light on Grove Street is here. Now this is the rant where she's talking about. I pulled off first from the toll booth, and
Whoa! She fell. Look at that. Whoa! She fell, y'all. Y'all saw the lady fell. The judge lady, she fell. Whoa!
The traffic light on Grove Street is here. Now this is the rant where she's talking about. I pulled off first from the toll booth, and oh my God.
Oh my God!
The traffic light on Grove Street is here. Now this is the rant where she's talking about. I pulled off first from the toll booth, and oh my God.
Oh my God! He said, "Oh my God!" So I'm show y'all this again. I know me. I'm gonna say by now in my video, I'll just show you all this stuff. I will show you all these videos and stuff that make people laugh. I know y'all like the stuff. I'll show you about Ben and Bill with the fridge. I'm gonna go back one more time. Gosh, how? So you guys tied up. So I'll just show y'all the guy who built the fridge tied up. I don't know why you do that. I know the fridge, he should be tied up in that chair. And I'll see y'all later.